In the installation package that was taped to the glass, Marvin provides it with foam corner gaskets to be installed at all four corners of a nail-fin window. We apply this bead of sealant at the corner gaskets 3 inches in both directions where the corner gasket keys into the nail fin. This will ensure a more watertight joint at these corners. It's a good idea to use your finger and create a filleted caulk bead to help that be sealed. We're now prepared to apply the counter flashing over the Marvin nail fin. We're going to use a 4-inch wide strip of butyl flashing, and we're going to counter flash over the vinyl fin. The fin in and of itself is not a waterproof joint, so I'm going to show you a time-saving technique using a speed square to accurately apply the counter flashing so that it rolls up to the edge of the cladding. Now we're going to pull the flashing that's lightly tacked to the window loose. We're going to take our speed square and we're going to make sure that we're well adhered to the wall, and then roll our speed square sideways to press it into the nail fin window. You'll notice how the counter flashing rolls up onto the edge of the cladding. This is our first line of defense if water gets past the siding. So applying the rigid head flashing at the top is a critical step because we want to ensure that any water that lands on the head can drain out. So on this sample, we have some clad brick mold casing that's factory applied. I've got a piece of Z metal and I put a couple notches here and here. So when I set the Z metal in place, it creates a nice return. So I fold this front piece in, and then I'll take a hammer and lightly tap this outside piece down to make a nice 90. So any water that travels across the drip cap drains straight down on top of our flashing. Our final step in counter flashing the window is to apply one last piece of 4-inch flexible flashing over the top of the rigid flashing that we just installed. After the opening has been properly prepared, the installation of a new nail fin window is very similar between new construction and replacement.